Nagkamang sanggunyang panusod to disqualify nga bidder manay iti panagatang ti 80 nga lugan nga nagpay kini barangay iti Sierad Tilawag. Nagsurat daytoy kini Vice Mayor Carlos Fariñas ket inbinsa-binsana digiti rason nga kahit na malawlawagan iti indapan nakadisqualify. Namuang disqualified bidder ket tinamko nga miyembro pa iti maysa nga opisyal. May basar ti surat kahit nga mamuang ti legal basis ti panakadisqualified nga nakibid. Tiya pa rin basa ni Vice Mayor Fariñas tinasao nga surat.
During the said bidding of the BAC Bids and Awards Committee, disqualified us even without opening our sealed bid on the grounds of our company is owned by a government official. On this ground, we would like to ask the City Ligar, being the BAC, to find any legal basis on its grounds of disqualification. Section 89 of the Local Government Code is not applicable as a basis of the said disqualification po. Being that the said member is a provincial board member and does not have any influence directly or indirectly to the decision of the funding of the City of Lawag or any LGU under its jurisdiction that matters. It simply has a review power that is solely to determine if the lower Sanggunians are acting within the authority to enact laws. To add on this, none of the owners of our company had any influence in the creation of this program and the funding of such. Dito yung project po kit panunot ni Apo Mayor dejay amutay amin di po nga kayat na nga ikanti emergency response ti kada barangay po tapno alalisto ti panagresponde po. Number 2, another concern is that the specification posted by the Bids Award Committee were tailor-fitted so much that no other vehicles would be able to fit of the said description. That is actually illegal. The DBM itself only allows that the posting of specs to be if diesel fed should not exceed to 3,000 cc. If any of its technical working group can actually prove that the said vehicle are better for the constituent, then we would like to see it in a written response. During the said bidding, the bidder was announced as the winner as per the live streaming, did not meet the 3 specifications. So ibagbagan na po nga di sinangabag nga bidder hang na-qualify ti talo nga specification yam iso na latati nangabak. Iso dito di kunan nga di details na ti ABC ket 91,200,000 gaya po tapos ti nangabak nga winning bidder is 91,160,000. So bimabalang so na ti 40,000 na po not di initial nga 200,000 timbagak. Our company bid that was not allowed to be open, North Point Alliance Motor Corp, 83,980,000. As you can clearly see, there is a difference of 7.1 million. Said saving could have been better used for serving our Kailians. How can such a bid discrepancy be junk as easily? As a taxpayer, this concerns us most, especially the time where austerity is being practiced because of the recent fuel crisis, and especially in the time when corruption is being scrutinized by the people. If our company won this bid, the city would not only save 7,180,000, it will also gain at least 881,000 of city taxes po. Kaputa dito yung corporation is located in Lawag City, di bayaden ti city nga 84 million king kwanakit sumrek pay kano kada tayo as a revenue di jay. Isubagbagan ito po 8 million ti savings ti maala ti city ka-DJ nga maala nga L300 ti Mitsubishi compared ka-DJ na ngabak nga winning bidder po. Tuy.
Grand Vice Mayor Fariñas, nipaiman na nga surat ti Committee on Human Rights, Committee on Ways and Means, ken ti Committee on Good Governance, tapno malawlawagan ti alegasyon nga sa nga patas tinasao nga bidding. Padaran met song batibak tinasong isyo, iti sa mornong nga intayo panagipadamag. Idol Dennis Alipio, Tatak, IFM.